Hi, I'm Nelson, and this is the Sir Nelson English School. In this school, we help you to improve your reading, writing, speaking, and listening skills. We also help you to pass the IELTS test. In this particular video, we are going to focus on a long sound I. The spelling is IE, but the sound is I. Let's read these words together. Read after me. Ice, bike, bite, dice, dime, dive, file, file, file. Continue reading all the words. Remember, all the sound is I. All these words have the long sound I. Read after me. Time, tire, vine, wide, wife. Read the rest of the words. Remember, this is the I sound, not E, I. Number 1, bride. Number 2, knife. Number 3, tiles. Number 4, fire. Number 5, pile. Number 6, shine. Practice. What's number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6? 8, dime. 9, hike. 10, 9. 11, ripe. 12, dice. 13, wipe. Practice. What is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13? 14, 5, 15, mice, 16, line, 17, wires, 18, slice. Practice. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, prices, 20, prize, 21, tire, 22, slide, 23, rice. Practice. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. We have another I sound, but a different spelling. The spelling is I-G-H, but the sound is I. Read after me. High, sigh, fight, light. Read the rest of the words. Number 1, night. Number 2, fight. Number 3, turn right. Number 4, night. Practice. What's number 1, 2, 3, 4? 5, light. 6, sigh. 7, tight. 8, bright. 9, lightning. 10, high. Practice. What's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10? We have another I sound, but the different spelling. The spelling is I, but this is IE. Read after me. Die, lie, pie, tie. Read the rest of the words. Meaning, number 1, lie. Number 2, fried. Number 3, die. Number 4, tie. Number 5, pie. Practice. What's number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5? We have another I sound, but the spelling is Y. When Y comes at the end, it makes the I sound. Read after me. Buy, my, cry, dry, fry, fly. Read the rest of the words. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. Practice. Cycle, spy, cry.